Another sound test, another day, another ride, another beautiful afternoon in sunny Perth, Western Australia. What I've done now is I've removed the microphone from inside the cheek cushion and I've put it down right at the front of the helmet. I can actually feel my chin scraping against it, so I hope it's not distorting it too much. And yeah, just going for a ride to pick up a couple of things for a friend or a workmate. And I totally forgot to bring my tank bag. Whoops. So that's going to be tricky, getting a couple of bottles back home. But anyway, hopefully they'll fit into my jacket pocket. And there won't be any tears. Just cruising back through my old neighbourhood where I grew up, went to primary school. My high school's not far away from here either. The good old days when nothing really seemed to matter except how much time I was going to get to play cricket out the backyard or catch up with mates. There's the old primary school. The old sports oval. And the old shopping centre. Awesome butcher in there. Used to be called Hadley's, mates, but I think it's changed names again now. Bug in the mouth. Anyway, so I'm still trying to work out why the picture's gone all fuzzy. I've got two thoughts. One is with the new microphone hooked in, it's drawing power from the camera, and so it's not recording as good a picture as what it can do when it's purely just powering itself. And I really hope that's not the case, but I've got a strong feeling it is. My other thought is that I've mucked around with the settings that much through the Storyteller app that I've just hit something inadvertently and got it wrong. So that's an easy fix. I just went back into the app and hit the old restore to factory default settings button. So this is now recording back in 720 HD. It's on the number one setting. 720 action setting is what it's currently recording in. Once I've done this bit of shopping, I'll flick it over to setting 2, and that is back in 1080. The only thing I have done is I've changed the audio settings and switched off the internal mic and turned the external mic to 15 out of 59 because I've got the microphone so close to my mouth. After yesterday's test where I was at 40 and it was inside the cheek cushion, it was still fairly loud, I thought. So I figured having it at 15 directly in, well, it's pretty much diagonally right below my mouth, where the microphone pickup is now. Fastly secured with a good old Velcro hook and loop dot. I swear by those things, I love them. Still getting over the lurgy in my throat. But anyway, So we're nearly at the shops now. We're in lovely Bull Creek. I'll sign off for now, and when I come back in just a couple of seconds, we'll be in 1080 HD. Alright, ciao for now. Okay, shopping's done. Time to go home. I've got a bottle of mushroom flavoured dark soy in my inside pocket, and I've got another bottle of mushroom flavoured dark soy sauce in my left hand hip pocket of the jacket, which I'm wondering if it's going to actually survive the trip home. It's sticking out like a mofo, but we'll see how it goes. Just take it nice and easy. Gay. Hi, gay. Why would you name your child Gay? Suppose they're thinking of a happy time. It's not like a baby pops out and goes, oh gee, that looks gay. I shouldn't talk like that. I have nothing against gay people, as long as they never hold anything against me. Nice Mercedes. Looks rather sharp. I like it. I like it a lot. So, I'm hoping this picture is coming at you nice and clear. And as well as the volume, audio, sound effects. Just about to come up to my old drinking hole. Right there, the barndar. Nice and easy, don't want to be tipping the bike because I'll be dropping my sauce everywhere. And that could get very nasty. Alrighty. Walking the dog. Do 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 do. Oi. Bit of a bloody tyre groove around that little roundabout. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's still there. Thought I just lost it. But I haven't. It's all good. yeah. So as you can tell, I don't really have too much to talk about. It's very much coming up to the end of my week off. Back to work tomorrow. And it's been a very good week off. I think I've accomplished quite a bit in regards to getting a lot of sound tests and that out of the way, acquiring my new microphone. As I said before though, I just really hope that it's not affecting the picture quality on the camera too much. But time will tell, I suppose. If I need to do another test where I take the microphone out and just go for a silent ride, which you guys might enjoy, then so be it. And if I just have to do videos that are narrated from the video making, well, I can do that. Until such time I can afford a camera upgrade. And yeah, alright, so anyway, here endeth the last sound testeth of the weeketh. Hopefully you've all enjoyed the videos I have been able to put up this week, and I'll get a few more done on my next break in a couple of weeks' time. So until then, stay safe, stay upright, stay on 2 wheels, keep having fun. You've been watching Thirst on Wheels, and until next time, ciao for now.